bring divinity in your human life. And can't be able to fulfill your purpose of life too. Purpose of life is to, use humanity, and through which you can achieve divinity and be divine and bring heaven on the earth. Okay? He told here many times that you are divine by nature, but if you are not aware, then if you are not following that divine instructions, then you will be demonic person. If you will be demonic person, there no power can protect you from suffering. Suffering will be your own destiny. Be aware about it. So my dear, here Lord stated, na ati asnatastu yogo asti, na chaikantam anasnatah, na chati swapnashilasya, ati swapnashilasya. He who is sleeping much. How many hours sleep is recommended? Be aware. If you are practitioner, yogi, doing yoga, then 4 hours. Sleep is enough for you, 4 hours. If you are doing hard work, mental work, then 6 hours is enough for you. In our holy treatises, 6 hours sleep is recommended for a common man. From 10 to 4. That time is, indicated too. 10 to 4. That is proper time for a householder for sleeping. And for yogis, there is 10 to 2. But those who are doing higher practices, this is my own experience, you will surprise. From 1953 to 1986, you can count. I don't want to count. I never slept more than 2 hours. Never. And 6 years when I was in practice and I was studying, at those days, I always, I always say to my disciples, and those people who are living with me, they know very well, they are still now, they are, and they know very well, I never sleep with, what to say that, yeah, on the bed or in a spread leg in this way. I was sitting, and in sitting I was sleeping sometimes, only 2 hours. The time was 12 to 2, and sometimes 2 to 4. Okay? But I am not telling that you must do all these things.
So how did you know the time?
No? Yeah, because I was keeping watch too. Okay? So, this was my time. 2 to 4. At 2 o'clock I was sleeping, but when sitting away sometimes, okay, because 4 o'clock was, for me to be ready at once for, other work. And 2 o'clock, 12 to 2, I was doing, that is called Turiya Sandhya. Okay? There are 4 Sandhyas. Morning, midday, evening, and midnight. There are 4 Sandhyas. And it was described in Yoga Shastra for yogis. So yogis should try to perform these 4 Sandhyas. Okay? Sandhyas means try to be one with Godhead. And try to do breathing exercise and meditate on that. That was great process. Okay? I am not telling you people must follow whatever I did, you must do that. Okay? But I am telling you that 6 hours sleep is enough for you. Not more than that. 6 hours is enough. Okay? And if you are yogi, if you want to be yogi and you are above 50, then you must sleep only 4 hours, not more than that. Above 50. Before 50, you must sleep 6 hours. Okay? Because this sleep is related with age too, physical structure too. Because, for children there are 12 hours. They must sleep 12 hours, children. And when become young little, then they must sleep 8 hours. Okay? When they got initiation, go in Gurukula, then they sleep 6 hours. Okay? This was recommended by your Holy Scripture, great seers. So little boy, little young children, maybe boy or girl, should sleep 12 hours. When they become balaka, balaka, then they sleep 8 hours, not 12 hours. But when they enter into Gurukula, because that was system, Gurukula, okay, then they sleep 6 hours. That was 6 hours recommended. And after that, when they become, 50, then they should start their higher practices, then they should sleep 4 hours only. Okay? So it was recommended. How much sleep is, necessary for a mankind. So here Lord stated, Na cha ati swapna shilasya. Those who are sleeping much can't be yogi, and those who are, sleeping less, they can't be yogi too. Okay? Because many other kinds of diseases will appear in their body. But I was sleeping only 2 hours, and I was reading daily this Bhagavad Gita. Okay? But my master told me that this sleep is related with ahara. Ahara. Because when you are sleeping, you are receiving energy and the digestive system work and this and that. So, my ahara was very little. Due to that, it was not harmful for me. I don't think that you can live on that ahara, whatever I was living. It is not possible for you. Okay? Yeah. And you will surprise, 5 years continuous, I didn't take any meal. I was taking only milk. Okay? And I reduced that milk, and completely 1 or 2 years, I lived only 1 pav. 1 pav? No? Yeah, I don't know your measurement. Yeah. And I have, nariyal, that coconut here. That coconut, and sannyasi cut it on the top and make a bowl. Okay? So I had little bowl, coconut bowl, and I was taking milk only full of that bowl. And daily. Then my master one day saw, and he, taught me a great lesson. Great lesson. He told that he want to be Dakoliya Baba, policeman. And he told me, throw it out. Then I threw that. Then he gave his kamandalu and a little cloth. Go and beg and take. Then I started begging. Narayana Hari. So my dear, I was telling you that for a practitioner, food and sleep both are very essential. Due to that here, Lord recommended. Na ati asanastu yogo asti, na chaikanta manasnataha, na chati swapna shilasya, jagrato naiva Arjuna. He told. Then how one can do this yoga? There are 2 kinds of teaching, negative and positive. So he here taught negative for then he recommended, he is teaching positive form. Yuktahara viharasya yukta cheshtasya karmasu yukta supnavabodhasya yogo bhavati dukkha. So, he told me 15 minutes before that you don't describe more, but I told you because I am helpless by my nature. I want to give you more and more and more knowledge. Either you can follow or not. Okay? So, now I am going to, stop here and be aware about tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be in Gulf. Okay? There is a retreat program and same time, 7:30 to 9, I will give my talk there. You all are, invited there. You will welcome. You can come and listen my talk there. Many years I was doing my talk in Gulf and people were reaching there and they were hearing. So you can go 2 days more, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and listen there. Okay, evening program. And there will be morning program too. Same program will go evening and morning. Okay, 7:30 to 9. Morning and 7:30 to 9 evening. So you can come there. Tomorrow evening there, tomorrow not morning, tomorrow evening, Saturday morning, and Saturday evening again, and Sunday morning. Then Sunday noon, that will be finished?
Yes.
Yeah, retreat program will finish Sunday noon.
He can continue if you want to, but
No, that is okay.
4 o'clock.
There is another program. So only 2 days you can spend with me there always. And in daytime also you can come to me, you can talk with me, you can seek guidance, you will enjoy. And Chandrakant told me that place is very beautiful. So you can devote your 2 days for this divine purpose. Okay? You all are welcome there. You can give your name. Yeah, Chandrakant will tell just after, by finishing. He is coming now and he will tell you everything. I am telling you people that you must, avail this good chance. Okay? May God bless you all. May He lead you all from unreal to real, from darkness to light, from death to immortality. May He shower upon you all His divine grace. May He bestow upon you all His divine love and wisdom. Om, peace in the heaven, peace in the space, peace on the earth. Om Kham Brahma. Now, pray with me. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Nah Prachodayat Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Om. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, you can. Yeah, first you listen 2 minutes. Chandrakant will explain everything about reading.